ka Bharti Foundation mana ka khan riu tarik ubanai jeli warhajar arpuar kala hiar hathem ribhoi nak bantaban penjanai ki jing sekri ban ki jing Kyrshan shekil life ho Tylli Skul ha Meghalaya ka nega satya Bharti Quality Support Program ban Kyrshan ni ki life ho Tylli Skul bala padihat dak sarkar Jylla ki Kynthup ru ya ka Nongpoh bat ka Umsning yaitu Lieutenant Colonel Ushri VP Singh ubri wahe jong ka Airtel Bharti Foundation ha ka jing ajingkran ha ka jing ilang ka lalong han Nongpoh ha ka khan riu tarik ubanai jeli warhajar arpuar ka Bharti Foundation the philanthropic arms of Bharti Enterprises kala da bania so ya ka sekolah bat ka sarkar Meghalaya nadu isnam arajar khatpara ya ka balapan benaru baga satya Bharti Quality Support Program kan Kyrshan gi skul jong sarkar Jylla ki bala poiru kumba henru hajar sanspa angut ki khna bat shispa life henru ngot ki noikai hagate jing pli ek program langba ka corporate social responsibility haba ajingkran kum shibanta ka jing Kyrshan ni ki school ki bodan hapo ka them ribhoi district bat ka MOU ka Bharti Foundation kum ka partner bat ka education department ban yirap bat ban pensting ya ka sarkar Jylla bat ban penjanai ru ya ki jaka pule bat ban kentiu ya ki khana school bat bakin la ru ban yerkat kerdan bat ki weipat ki school ki bodan ha ki weipat ki Jylla.
Program has 183 schools in 6 states where we teach 41,187 students. Out of them, 50.5% are girls because we promote girl child education. 76.9% children are from reserve sections, and we have 1,389 teachers in these Satya Bharti schools. In the year 2012-13, the government of Haryana first welcomed us to work with the government schools in Haryana. We had signed an MOU with the Haryana government, and by that we started supporting 3 government schools there. And eventually, slowly, gradually, this program evolved into our next big program, which is today's Satya Bharti Quality Support Program. As you can see in the banner also the name of this program. So this program, to talk about the output figures, the data, we are supporting now currently starting from that Haryana, we are now into 13 states and supporting 662 schools. 2,20,730 students are reached through this program. So more than 2 lakh students we are reaching through this program. Out of them 50% are girls, and we are supporting more than 8,400 teachers in these 600 plus schools. So this is the Satya Bharti school figures. To talk about more about the Satya Bharti school program, we started it in Northeast in the year 2018-19. First was Meghalaya, and then we started in Assam.
Seriously, which we will again approach the government, and through which we will try and reach the entire district, our partner schools and also non-partner schools, and we reach to the entire community of teachers and schools and try and benefit them through our various programs and training sessions and workshops. So that is again going to be there starting very soon. And I once again want to tell you and assure you that we are like a family to you all. We will be there as and when we are required. Our team is always there, and together we will work towards the school excellence. I will not take much of your time because we will have further orientation which will describe in detail about the program and what we are going to do together and what you all can expect from us.
So education is not a factory of manufacturing things or materials or even manufacturing human beings, but we have a very great to say that education is a part and parcel to manufacture the character, to manufacture the discipline, to manufacture the quality, and also to search for the talents of the students, whether in the district or in the state and also in the country as a whole. So therefore, on behalf of education in this district, 3 Point, I welcome everyone who are willing to work with education, whether the Bharti Foundation or any other foundation or society, to come and work together to produce a better qualities of students in this district. As you know that this district is an aspirational district. The district is lagging behind of all the districts in Meghalaya. So, therefore, today, as I have said, that education is a huge factory. So welcome everyone. Welcome the principals,